Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Hi Mia, how are you feeling today?
Hi, Alex. I'm feeling great today. What about you?
I'm super excited because today's topic is really interesting.
Imagine speaking English without translating in your mind. Wow, how amazing would that be?
Well, today we're going to learn how to train your brain to think in English step by step.
But before we continue, if you enjoy learning English with us,
Then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
your support really motivates us to create more helpful videos for you.
All right, let's get started.
So, Alex, what is the biggest mistake English learners make?
The biggest mistake is translating every sentence in their mind.
Yes. First, they think in their native language, then translate into English, and that takes time.
Exactly, and that's why they can't speak fluently.
So, what should they do instead?
Simple. Start thinking directly in English.
Let's try a small practice.
Repeat after me. I am hungry.
I am tired.
I want tea.
See? No translation needed. Ha ha ha.
Great. Now that you understand step 1, let's move to step 2.
This step is very simple but powerful.
Yes. Start thinking in English during your daily routine.
For example, in the morning,
I am waking up.
I feel fresh.
When you drink tea,
This tea is hot.
when you go outside, hun, yes.
The weather is nice.
Small thoughts to big improvement.
That was easy. Now let's go to step 3.
This is my favorite step.
Haha, same. Speak out loud, even if you're alone.
Yes. Your brain learns faster when you speak.
Alex, let's do a mini conversation.
For example, I'm at a coffee shop and ordering like this. Can I get a coffee, please?
Guys. And I replied, sure. What size?
Medium, please.
Haha. Try saying this with me.
Okay, guys. Amazing. Now let's move to step 4.
Look around you and describe things in English.
Yes, this is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to train your brain.
For example,
I see a chair.
I see a phone.
I see a table.
Okay. Let's make this a little fun.
Just look around you for a second, wherever you are right now.
Find anything near you, anything simple.
And try to think about it in English.
You can say something like,
I see a book.
I see a cup.
I see my phone.
Just try this with me. It really works.
If you do this daily, your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
Let's do quick practice together.
I am learning English.
I feel confident.
I will improve daily.
Wow, that sounds great.
So today we learned how to train our brain to think in English.
Yes, just follow these 4 simple steps daily.
And you will see improvement very soon.
Now tell us in the comments,
Which step will you start today?
we would love to hear from you.
Thanks for watching.
Keep practicing and stay confident.
See you in the next video.
Bye everyone.